Hi, I'm Juliana and I'm a Northside student, and I'm here to give you the latest NISD bond update on how School Bond 2018 has helped provide upgrades and renovations on campuses across the district. The majority of School Bond 2018 funds went to upgrading, renovating, or replacing these existing facilities. Here's a look at just a few of those projects. Extracurricular activities are a great way for students to connect, and student athletes at Stevenson Middle School will soon be enjoying their newly renovated athletic and PE facilities. The campus is getting 2 new gyms, new boys and girls locker rooms, and an updated outdoor basketball courts. Plus, more bleacher space for spectators. This means there is now more space for students and the community to gather. Science labs in a couple of schools are also getting upgrades. 13 Clark High School science labs and 6 prep rooms got new utility controllers for the exhaust fans and fume hoods. And at Luna Middle School, there was a renovation of existing classrooms and science labs into a new state-of-the-art labs that meet updated district standards. Northside is always looking for ways to maximize bond funds while renovating or replacing older learning spaces. Bond 2018 has helped to bring our schools into the 21st century with building front and lobby updates. Adams Hill Elementary School has a colorful new facade that welcomes families into a new front office, complete with an upgraded security lobby system and an all-new nurse's office. Taft High School has also got some exciting updates in the works, including a new front office entrance with a new administration office and a security lobby. The library here is also brand new. There are many more projects taking place across the district funded by School Bond 2018. For more information about these or other bond updates, please visit nisd.net/bond. Thank you, Northside voters, for your support.